Indian Railways has greenlit a $21.6 million project to deploy the indigenous Kavach 4.0 train protection system across 680 road kilometers of Northern Railway, marking a decisive leap forward in India's railway safety modernization drive. The rollout will cover the Rewari-Delhi and Chakrabasti-Bathinda corridors, alongside feeder branch lines that connect Delhi with key passenger and freight routes across Haryana, Punjab, and Rajasthan. Kavach is India's indigenously developed automatic train protection system, engineered to prevent collisions and signal past at danger incidents. If a loco pilot misses a signal or exceeds speed limits, the system automatically applies the brakes, bringing the train to a safe halt. Kavach ensures uninterrupted services during dense winter fog, a persistent challenge that often disrupts rail traffic across northern India. Approved by the Research Designs and Standards Organization in 2024, Kavach 4.0 is the system's most advanced iteration yet. It delivers superior location accuracy, optimized yard operations, and seamless integration with modern signaling infrastructure. This project is a key component of Indian Railways' nationwide Kavach expansion, with a focus on high-density and strategically vital routes. Over 1,450 kilometers have already been commissioned, while implementation is currently in progress on more than 24,000 kilometers across the country. With rail traffic surging and train speeds accelerating, the rapid expansion of Kavach is poised to play a pivotal role in making India's railway network safer, faster, and more reliable.